Yogi government's big decision. Jobs galore in UP. Will 13 restricted areas open for women? Hello friends. Imagine a morning when lakhs of women of Uttar Pradesh will leave their homes, carrying bags on their shoulders, full of confidence. Because now they will also get the right to permanent jobs in industries and factories equal to men. In the areas where women were prohibited from working for years, now they will make their dreams come true. Can this be true? Is this new scheme of Yogi government going to turn into reality? If yes, then it can prove to be the biggest change for women in the history of Uttar Pradesh. This decision of the government will not only be employment, but will be a revolutionary step towards the economic empowerment of women. But this scheme is not so easy, because to implement it, many rules and laws will have to be broken and made again. After all, how is the government going to implement this change? And what will be the impact on the politics and society of Uttar Pradesh? Let us know the whole story of this big decision. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get the update of our every new video first. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. First of all, let's know what is the master plan of Yogi government and how will women get permanent jobs from this? Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has always talked about empowering women. Earlier, he extended government benefits to women through free gas connection, free ration and other government schemes. But now he is going to take another big step towards making them self-reliant. Yogi government is now preparing to give permanent employment to women, even in 13 restricted areas of Uttar Pradesh. For this, major changes will be made in UP's Factory Manuals 1950, so that those areas which were closed for women till now are now opened for them. The draft of this scheme is being prepared under the supervision of Chief Secretary Manoj Kumar Singh. Soon this proposal will be presented in the cabinet, so that it can be implemented legally. A major objective of this initiative is to make women self-reliant, as well as it will strengthen the political position of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, because this step can further increase the inclination of women towards BJP. Now the question is, in which areas women were not allowed to work till now? There are still many areas in the factories and industries of Uttar Pradesh where women were not allowed to work. This ban was imposed under the UP Factory Manuals 1950, in which it was made clear that women will not be allowed to work in some industries, because there is a high risk of danger there. These industries included the brass industry of Moradabad, the lock industry of Aligarh, the furniture and garment industry of Bareilly, the leather industry of Kanpur and many other factories. In many factories, women were not even allowed to clean machines, as there was a risk of them getting injured. Women were also not allowed to work in cotton pressing, electrolyte plating, electric accumulators, glass manufacturing, chemical industry, metal cleaning, brassware manufacturing, and many other hazardous industries related to petroleum. Now the question arises that, why are these rules being changed? Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's government believes that overall development is possible only when women also play an equal role. Today, there are many industries where technology and safety measures have reduced the risk a lot. But due to old rules, women were not being given jobs there. Now these rules need to be changed so that women can also get the opportunity to work in industries which were dominated by men till now. The government believes that if women are given access to those new employment opportunities, then there can be a big change in the economy of the state. This will also promote women empowerment and will also strengthen the government's mission to make Uttar Pradesh an industrial hub. Along with this, let us tell you that the Uttar Pradesh government is studying the Vietnam model to make this new plan successful. Vietnam is considered to be the country with the largest female workforce in Asia. More than 2/3 of women are working in the garment industry there. Special laws have been made for the convenience of women there, which provide facilities like workplace safety, maternity benefit, and flexible working hours. The UP government is now studying what can be learned from the experiences there and what new rules can be implemented to provide employment to women in UP. Now the question is, what will be the political impact of this decision? And is the Yogi government eyeing the 2027 elections? This decision of the Yogi government is not only important from an economic and social point of view, but it is also being considered a masterstroke from a political point of view. Keeping in mind the 2027 assembly elections, the BJP can use this scheme as a strong weapon for women. In the last elections, the BJP got good support from women, especially due to the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, free ration and security measures. Now, with this new policy, the BJP can get even more support from women. This can further strengthen the BJP's hold on the women's vote bank. Many women of UP are excited about this decision, as it will give them an opportunity to become financially independent. But some women are also seeing it as a big challenge. Whether many women who are busy with household chores and family responsibilities will be ready to work in these factories or not is a big question. Apart from this, special attention will also need to be paid to the safety of women, their working hours and facilities like maternity benefits. The government must ensure that the working environment is safe and conducive for women, so that they can pursue their careers without any fear. So friends, this decision of the Uttar Pradesh government can prove to be a big step towards employment and women empowerment in the state. If this scheme is implemented properly, then it can provide permanent jobs to lakhs of women in factories. This will not only strengthen the economy of the state, but will also improve the social and economic condition of women. But how effective this decision will prove to be will depend on how it is implemented at the ground level. If the government succeeds in adopting the Vietnam model correctly and implements the right standards of women's safety, facilities at the workplace and salary, then it can prove to be a new era of employment revolution in Uttar Pradesh. After all, if half the population is empowered, then the whole country will be empowered. Now it remains to be seen when this scheme is implemented and what is its actual impact on the women and industries of Uttar
Like
Pradesh.
our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.